Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome back to Shiva Academia. Make it your way. I am Shivansh Saxena and I welcome you in this second episode of Mastering Desmos, Solve Graphs Like a Pro. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. In today's session, we are going to learn how to plot a graph in Desmos. So let me share my screen and let's decode. Now, how to plot a graph in the Desmos, what you could do is, first of all, let me tell you how to write the coordinates. So as you write the coordinates in the round brackets, like 2, 3, if I write 2, 3, you could see Desmos has highlighted the point. Similarly, if I write 4, minus 9, we can see over here, Desmos has highlighted the same point. But if I have to plot a graph through Desmos using given points, at least first of all, I need 2 points, whether it is a linear graph, a straight line graph, a parabolic graph, or an exponential graph, or any kind of graph, I need at least 2 points to provide to Desmos. So what do we do now? I go to this add item, I click on the table, it says x1, y1. Now, a very important distinction is x1, y1 or x and y. First of all, x and y are pure variables. That is why Desmos in the table does not say x or y. It says x1, y1. Or if I will type another table, it will say x2, y2. If I will type one more table, it will say x3, y3. So x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, they are arbitrary constants. They are arbitrary constants. So I provide the point 2, 3. I provide 4, minus 9. And I click on this add regression. Now, as we type in the normal calculator, let's say 2 plus 3. So for that calculator, plus is the command to add them up and give you the sum total. Regression is the command for Desmos to plot the graph for the given points. So I click on this add regression and you can see a straight line passing through these 2 points. This is the first type of regression that we do in the Desmos. So you can see over here, it says clearly linear regression. Also, it is giving me the equation of the line y equals to negative 6x plus 15. How beautiful it is, right? Now, one more feature. We see that there is a drop down icon over here. So I click on this drop down. I click on this quadratic regression. Now, for the same 2 points that I provided, Desmos by default has given me the graph for a quadratic equation passing through the given points. And once again, I am repeating the same thing. That is, you need at least 2 points to plot a graph. Now, similarly, if I click on cubic regression, we can see a cubic curve passing from the given points. If I click on exponential regression, since these 2 points cannot be the part of the same graph, it is not giving me the exact curve touching the same points. If I click on any other regression, let's say logarithmic regression, you can see a logarithmic curve passing from these 2 points. And also the equation of the logarithmic curve. So I hope that is clear to all of you and it will be helpful for you in your exam. Either you are preparing for SAT, PSAT, ACT, or someone who just wants to enjoy graph, or someone who wants to learn graph. For JEE, students from IB board, IGCSE board, this Desmos is the real helper, real life savior. Okay, so I will meet you guys in another lesson tomorrow, and then we will cover up more of the steps in the series, other functions, features of the Desmos. Till then, take care. Har Har Mahadev and Jai Hind. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Shiva Academia for more such informative educational content that helps you building your knowledge and the library. Take care.